the political elite in the southeast will take their stand. Excluding them from national budget has a significance. You understand me? It has a significance on them. Is it trying to tell them that they are not part of them? They should go to their own Biafra? I don't know why they should be excluded. You are telling me to go on run to Niger Delta.
He didn't go to
He is the Gowon is the God that created Edwin Clark. He is the God that created him.
No, I mean the significance of that movement present there.
What the Northerners are doing is robbing Peter to pay Paul. It is because the Niger Deltas have the elite of the Niger Delta have not waked up. They are using what you have in your own land to bribe you, and you are looking at them. You are happy. They are using what you have in your own land to bribe you, and you are happy. What God gave you as a natural resource. Probably that is what they want to do. That you make Edward Clark what it is by giving him maybe giving him one position to enslave his people. But if Edward Clark should be earlier realize that this is my own, you understand, man? This thing you are giving me is my own. Why are you not using it to bribe me? Just what Nnamdi Kanu is telling them. You can't use what I have to bribe me. You can't use my natural resources that is in my backyard to bribe me, to enslave my people. That is it. Yeah, the politicians of the Southeasterners go and conduct referendum, then that is better for them. Excluding them from national budget seems that they are no longer part of Nigeria. That is my own understanding. Because I have not seen any offense being committed. Even if they committed, all of them cannot commit offense at the same time. So there is a conspiracy there. Excluding them from that national budget means you are no longer part of this.
Yes, and that's the area I want you to look at. Look at what's happening in Anambra State at the moment. You know, a reverend father has come to accuse the governor of killing a lawmaker in Asoka, Benjamin. And there's so much crisis happening in Anambra State now. You know, what is actually their view on the ravaging situation in Anambra State now, and Igbo land for that matter?
Well, it is out of their greediness and selfishness. That is what is happening now. And they use this, and it is only the Northerners that is giving them that idea. Probably such a lawmaker is not agreeing with the ideology of Charles Soludo as the governor. You understand me? That is why he go against him. Probably this young man is not agreeing. He always oppose the ideology of this young the governor. But that is selfish interest. Governor to go and kill one of the lawmakers. You understand me now? That is it. I told you that Charles Soludo, we knew him before when he was CBN governor. When he was CBN governor, he did well. But recently, nobody knows what this man is out to again. He did well during the time of Obasanjo. They organize Nigeria and revitalize Nigeria again. But Nigeria is already decaying. You understand? They revitalize Nigeria again. Nigeria started booming. Not now that APC started to crumble everything down. What are you trying to tell me? Nobody knows what Charles Soludo is up to this present time. He was the one accusing Nnamdi Kanu on daily basis. He was the one antagonizing the IPOB on daily basis. He was the one accusing Obi on daily basis. Peter Obi. I don't know. But if that is why I say that Nigeria has no law, if there is law, law will take its course. But there's no law. Law was just made for the poor masses. The law that we are seeing is just made for the poor masses. Probably if a man fights with his wife, he say 25 years in prison because you beat your wife. But when they go and enslave the whole nation, pack the wealth of the nation, they say go and pay 10 million and go free. That law? Is that a country with law? Law is just made for the commerce.
Well, finally, on this issue, before I let you go, what is your position on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at this moment? What do you think?
Well, my position is that I've been saying it and I will still say it again. Nnamdi Kanu has no case. Nnamdi Kanu has no case with Nigeria. I can hardly say senior citizen. Yes, the Biafrans are the senior citizen of this country. But they own virtually 80% of what this Nigeria is enjoying. They own 80% of what Nigeria is enjoying. And instead, they have been sidelining them, subjecting them, stepping on them, antagonizing them, pushing them aside. Why? Not only the word you are amassing, you are grouping from their place. In terms of intelligence, you cannot push them aside. In terms of ideology, you cannot push them aside. They will bring the idea, they will bring everything, all it takes to make this nation move forward. But you are pushing them aside. They are keeping Nigeria to a deep hole, just rigmarole at the center point. Rigmarole. Put Igbos in. They will turn Igbo to US under a space of 4 years. At the beginning of this country, when the Americans, the Western world, they are coming down to this country. They are coming down to this country when the naira is bigger than dollar. But after the fault of Ojukwu, Biafra war, they turn everything upside down. Where is Nigeria position now? They sideline the Igbos. They push the Igbos backward. Because they cannot bring their ideology again. They cannot bring their senses again. Then they left with them with their politics. But people go into business, and the rest of them are they not striving in every other state that you see them? Go to any other state. I've been in Cotonou, I've been in Togo, I've been in Ghana. I saw massively what the Igbos are doing. The so-called the indigenous of those such countries, they will allow and respect of what the magnificent things that they are doing in their country.
No, the Igbo don't even do what they do only here in Nigeria. They also do.
Go to the Western world, you see what the Igbos are doing. I'm just saying, I'm not saying only in Africa. When you go to South Africa, you see what Igbos are doing. Go to Cotonou here, Benin Republic here. Go to Togo. Go to Ghana. Go to all these African countries that's closer to us here. Where are you going? You will see what Igbos are doing. And such countries respect them. What are you not saying? Come to their own land. Look at what the Yorubas and the West here did at this last election. They denied the vote of their franchise not to vote in their own country. And they want to take over their land, want to take over Lagos. Can you do what the Igbos are doing in your land? Igbo don't discriminate. They take anywhere as their own place, provided they are good living there. Are you getting it? They take everywhere they go to Togo, if you see mansion they build. You understand me now? They live well. The indigenous self go, they respect them.
Do you think Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can actually drop his agitation because nobody's supporting him?
No, but everybody is supporting him. It's only the elites, it's only the politicians that are gaining from what he's doing. Everybody is supporting him, including you. Because we are seen as a slave in this country. Irrespective of our efforts. Irrespective of, okay, look at, if you watch the IGP of Lagos State, if you checkmate it, Igbos take 80%. Internal revenue generation. Igbos take 80%. Is this their own land? Is this place their own land? But they pay. They do everything because of their business.
Even on,
where are the indigenous?
Well, even
what are they contributing?
Even on marginalization, Igbo still pay for
even on their marginalization. They pay to make sure that the state move forward. And all this money there is what they are using to develop the state. I listen to it. But you are still marginalizing them. So if Nnamdi Kanu should drop, this is a failure to Igbo nation and to our ancestors. Because I know the ancestors is backing him up spiritually. He cannot drop.
You saw his last court appearance. What message do that pass to you personally?
It shows that Nigeria has finished. Judiciary, nothing to talk about. Judiciary, nothing is to talk about. The last hope of the common man. That's judiciary. But look at what is happening. Incompetent people. People that cannot say the truth, they will see the right thing, they will turn back. Probably because of that bribe they've given to them. So that is it.
Okay. Thank you for coming on this platform. We'll expect
Thank you, my brother.
To continue having a day with us. Thank you.